welcome everyone to this amazing slipstream. Right now we are in the afternoon and I am in the farm right now, and I'm going to give you a fantastic slipstream right now. I'm going to sleep on the bare floor. So ladies and gentlemen, join me, kindly observe what I do right now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Please, I just slept in this farm, very natural site. We have so many food crops over here. We have cassava, plantain and among others. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.